Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new to my channel, I want to say thank you and welcome. If you have not subscribed to this amazing channel, please take a few seconds of your time and hit that red subscribe button. It's free of charge. And once you're done doing that, please hit the notification bell, the little bell icon on the side, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified, okay, of my new video upload. So I'm going to keep today's video nice and simple, okay? Let me say short and simple. I'm making Ghana roadside roasted plantain, but I'm going to make I'm going to be roasting this in the oven. So this is going to be oven baked plantain, okay? This is sweet plantain, yellow plantain, okay? You don't want plantains that is like overripe. When plantain is overripe, you can tell that the skin, instead of yellow, it will darken, okay? So this is nice, okay? This is nice. This is the color you're looking for, all right? You don't want it very, very soft. Otherwise, it's not going to be oven baked. It's going to be oven fried, okay? So now, this is really, really simple. All you need is however much plantain you need. I'm using 2 yellow plantain. Let's go. Let's move on. So peel the skin off your plantain, okay? And then you can cut your plantain. You can put the whole thing in the oven. I like to cut mine in 2, okay? There you go. The other one. There you go. I do already have the oven preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can do anywhere between 425 to 450, okay? Here we go. So bake, and then I'm at 425 right there. So I have my plantains on the rack, okay? I'm going to push this in, and it's going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it will be ready. When your plantain is ready, trust me, you can tell it's ready because you can smell it in the whole house, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, our oven baked plantain is ready. Look at this. It looks so beautiful and it smells amazing. So this took me 20 minutes, okay, to bake in the oven, and I took the heat from 425 to 450, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is like a street food in Ghana. You can find this almost like at every corner in Ghana. So next time you are in Ghana, make sure you try these, or you can try this at the comfort of your home, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe until I come your way again with another video. Remain in God and have a happy holiday. Bye, guys. Plantains. Oh, and one last thing. So plantains, in Ghana, we enjoy this with like roasted peanuts, okay? So I have my peanut here. If you have peanut allergy, by all means, you can skip this part. But yeah, we enjoy plantain with peanuts, roasted plantain with peanuts, okay? So make sure to do that, to make that combination. If it's your first time, you will fall in love with it, all right? Bye.